Hey, what's up, everybody? Got 16 cars here that equals $20 from Dollar Tree. Send off for that promotional Chevelle. But I got to open them and send in the cards to get the car. So let's open them up. See what we got here. It's one card. Got a little van, little fajita Hot Wheel van. Next, we got the Mickey Mouse boat. Another card. A little paddle wheel boat. Look at it. Yep, paddle wheel boat. Next, we got the Batman black with red. Dang, that thing's tough. It don't want to open up. Jeez. These ones are tough. Another card. It's a pretty cool Batman car here. That red and black goes good together. Then we got the other Batman car. That's pretty tough too. Another card. And the Batman blue. Then we got a HW50 concept. Another card. We got the Boiler Ford GT. Good gracious. Heck, they got this thing blue on here. It's pretty cool. And we got a Hodo Rodo. And we got a Gordon Murray Automotive T50. And well, they really put them things on there. And we got what I call the hot sauce mobile. The hot wings. Like that. It's kind of weird, isn't it? And we got the Cruise Bruiser Gasser. I like these gassers. Then we got the small block taxi. Which I ain't real fond of those. Just like wood. It's like the top's made of wood on it. Huh. Then we got the Porsche 911 rally car. Pretty green on it. We got the Chevy El Camino. Little slick flat black paint. We got a 19 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. Then we got a 17 Ford F-150 Raptor. I think I like the Chevy the better. Then our last is Mercedes-AMG Petronas Formula One team. And that, my friend, is the 20 cars. That is the 20 cars, or the $20 worth of cars that I had to open, which is 16 cars at $1.25. Be able to get that 66 Chevelle promotional car that I'm sending off for. There they are, 16 cars at $1.25 is exactly $20. So, got my cards to send off. There's my cars. I got them to throw away. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this little video. Check out all my other videos of 164 scale racing, please. Please like and subscribe. And we'll be back with some more cool stuff. Appreciate it. Thanks.